Select front plane, go to sketch, select 3-point arc, draw arc like this. Okay, now select line, draw line, draw line from this point to here. Okay, select smart dimension, give dimension 15 mm. Okay, select this point and this point, give dimension 245 mm. Okay, now this line to this point, give 145 mm. Okay, now select this point and this point, give 410 mm. Now select this point and origin point, make vertical. Okay, now select center line, draw one center line from this point. Okay, make this arc and center line tangent. Okay, now exit. No, sorry. Now select center line again, draw horizontal center line through origin point. Now exit, go to surface and select revolved surface. Select the center line. Okay, select thicken command, select this surface. Okay, 10 mm. Now go to feature, select mirror command, select this surface. Okay, select geometry pattern. Okay, select reference geometry plane, select top plane, give distance 715 mm. Okay, select plane, normal, go to sketch, select line command, draw a line from this point, draw profile like this from here to this point to this. Okay, okay, now close the profile. Select smart dimension, give dimension 85 mm. Now again select line, give this dimension. Okay, keep this dimension as it is. Our profile is ready. Now again select line. Draw a line from this point to this point to here to here. Okay. Okay, now close the profile. Now select smart dimension. Give same dimension 85 mm. Okay. Now our thread profile is ready. Now go to feature, select extruded boss command. Reverse direction. Select up to surface. Select this surface. Okay. Now our thread is ready to pattern. Select front plane, normal, go to sketch, select line, draw line from this point to this. Again select line, draw a single profile like this. To this point, to this point, and close the profile. Okay. Now select this middle point, press Ctrl and select this origin point. Make vertical. Okay. Now give dimension to this line. Make 200 mm. Now origin point to this line. Make 658, sorry, 685 mm. Okay. Now go to feature, select revolve cut. Oh, sorry. Draw center line from this origin and then select revolve cut. Okay. Our thread is ready to pattern. Now select this surface, make normal, go to sketch, select line, draw a profile like this. Okay, close the profile. Go to feature, select extruded cut command, make 10 mm inside. Okay. Now select this surface, make normal, go to sketch, select line and draw same profile. Okay. Now close the profile. go feature, extruded cut, 10 mm inside. Okay, then click OK. Now go to circular pattern, select boss extruded 1, cut revolve, cut extrude 1 and 2. Okay. Make 18 number of patterns. Select direction 1, this circle, click OK. This takes some time. Okay. Now our thread is ready. Now select the surface and go to appearance. Select rubber. In rubber, select texture, tire texture. Okay. Now our tire texture is looking on the tire surface. Select boss extrude. All the surfaces remaining. Circular pattern. Select remaining surfaces. Okay. Select carefully by pressing Ctrl. Press Ctrl key and select this and this surface. Now go to appearance. In appearance, go to rubber and select glossy rubber. Click OK. Look, our tire is ready. Thanks for watching.